How to connect Stripe to Shopify on your phone. To connect Stripe to your Shopify store using your phone, first open the Shopify app and tap the menu icon. Then go to Settings, select Payments, then tap Payments Providers. If Shopify Payments is available in your country, Stripe will already be integrated within it, and you just need to activate Shopify Payments by entering your business and bank details. However, if Shopify Payments isn't supported in your region, scroll down and tap Third-Party Providers. Search for Stripe, type on it, and then follow the prompts to log in or create a Stripe account. Once connected, Stripe will begin processing card payments from your customers directly. Make sure to save your changes before exiting. This way, Stripe will be fully linked and ready to accept payments on your mobile Shopify store. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.